Dahil padating na ang tag-init or summer season dito sa Pilipinas, ito nga pala ang 5 fragrances na kaya kang dalhin sa upcoming na tag-init. Number 1 is Sapphire Frags Aqua de Jo, timeless classic ng summer fragrances. Extremely versatile, citrus, florals, aromatic, aquatic, and a bit sweet sa dry town. Solid na solid yung performance and pwede for Tunbridge or everyday scent. Next is Kela Stefan number 19, which is a Bulgari Tiger Dove citrus forward perfume na medyo musky and a bit earthy from the Vetiversa base. Super easy to wear and mass appealing. Matagal lang longevity sa skin with medium to loud projection, perfect for everyday use din ito. Number 3 is Origin Lab Allure Homme Sport. Very versatile and pwede ma-wear throughout the year. Citrus, aldehydic, airy and a bit sweet from that tonka sa base. Performance is a bit lackluster but it can get you throughout the day with a bit of reapply. Pwede ito for going outs or everyday use as well. Next is Enzo Sense YEDP. Green apple, sage, vetiver, aromatic and woody. Parang fresh shower gel ang atake sa dry down pero hindi siya offensive but very masculine fresh. Ito suggested for going outs kasi medyo hinted talaga yung pagiging fresh and woody niya na perfect sa labasan or lakad. Last is Super Dose Annie. Ito naman yung gagamitin mo for night outs or date nights. Bergamot and ginger heavy yung opening pero yung dry down yung best part nito. Dahil sa gourmand and vanilla vibes niya na parang lemon cake ang atake. Goods for dates or summer nights. Basta colder hours of the summer day, solid na solid ito. Solid naman ang performance ng mga perfumes na nabanggit sa video nito. Lumalagpas ng 6 hours and moderate to loud ang projection. Na pahinihintay mo, check out na.